all-purpose super glue.
All-purpose super glue is a fast-drying, strong adhesive for plastic, metal, wood, glass, and more. This adhesive is ideal for both DIY projects and repairs. Its quick-drying formula reduces waiting time, allowing for instant result and increased efficiency. Ideal for home or pro use, its precision tip ensures clean, controlled application without mess. Buy 1 pack of all-purpose super glue only $3.49. Also buy 3 pack only $9.99. Whether you're working on household repairs, craft projects, or industrial tasks, this glue provides a seamless fix second. The precision nozzle allows for easy application in tight space and on delicate items, ensuring no mess and no waste. The glue dries clear, leaving no residue, and maintains a clean finish on all surface. It's resistant to water, heat, and impact, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. From fixing a broken vase to securing loose furniture parts, this glue gets the job done quickly and effectively. Compact and easy to store, it's must-have in every toolbox, drawer, or emergency kit. Trust this glue to hold it all together strong, fast, and forever reliable. Leave your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.